I think we just discovered a travel hack.
No way! No way! I'm shocked. 1 and 2.
We are Matt and Angie, two girls aiming to travel wherever our crazy ideas will bring us. After some months in Southeast Asia, we made our way with a very convenient flight ticket to Australia.
Good morning from Perth. I'm so excited to start seeing what this city has to offer. Yay!
We are hopping on a bus because in the city center, this service is free.
No way!
No way! I'm shocked.
We saw dolphins!
Like here!
And they jumped a lot and it was so cool. Also because there's work happening and still there are dolphins.
Yeah, swimming and jumping. So beautiful.
So cool. So we came all the way here to Heirisson Island because there's a sanctuary where there are wild kangaroos. Let's go see them. I'm excited. I don't want to set my expectations too high because maybe we don't see them, but at least we already saw the dolphins.
This gate is always open for humans, but you have to close it when you enter and when you exit because it's for the safety of the kangaroos.
And since they're wild here on the island, as I said, it's not granted that you can see them. But I read online that they usually like to stay into the shade because it's kind of hot. So that's where we are looking. And also we'll keep quiet so that we don't scare them away. I see poop. So maybe we can find them. Chaka chaka.
So, just wandering around into the bushes, we saw 1 and 2. Oh my god, they are really small. I thought they were bigger, but they are so cute.
I'm so happy right now. Wow, they look so fluffy, they look so cute, and I love that they're free to roam around and hide in the bush wherever they want, and they were so calm and wow.
Just, hey, we are here relaxing.
Yep, I
What
think
do
they
you want?
properly hide.
Yeah.
They were like this, and she spotted them. Obviously, she is so good at it.
Just one. The second one, she spotted.
Yeah, but I didn't see it, and it just popped up with the little head. They're so tiny and cute.
Oh my god.
Such a great way to start the day here in Perth.
Absolutely.
And even if you don't spot kangaroos, it's so cool to come here because you can have a nice walk and even see the skyline of the city. It's even worth it just for that. But now let's go see the proper city. We made it in town. smoothie with mango, banana, coconut yogurt and oat milk. Wow! This is so good. It's more creamy than the smoothies we drank in Southeast Asia, and it's really good as well. Needed.
Our first stop is the Bell Tower, also known as the Swan Bells Tower. Inside there are 18 bells, and there's the largest bell in Australia that every day at noon rings. And randomly we were here at noon. The building though is really peculiar, and you can enter inside like a museum, but the price is high. So if you don't want to spend money, you can just walk around it because it's really, really cool.
And super close, there's Elizabeth Quay. This area here, which is famous for that strange sculpture and this bridge. It's a nice area to walk around. There are umbrellas if you wanna have lunch and have a view in the shade, and it's a cool place if you are like Angie and you wanna look at all the fishes. They're not that many, they're more jellyfish, but still it's so cool. This was not planned, but we saw there were ferries from the same company that runs the buses and the trains in Perth, and we decided to ask, and actually we were intending to buy the standard day rider for the day, and these ferries are included. So we decided to hop on because we were doing the pass anyway, so we are on a ferry. And this ferry is going to the south of Perth, from what I've understood, and we are just gonna go on that side and come back to have a view of the waterfront of Perth. So random, but I love it. Now let's have a view. I think we just discovered a travel hack, because if you are going to do the day pass anyway, it's free, and there are cruises that are doing this route, and instead of paying for them, you just come and do this for free.
And the view is really nice, you can look around.
And you get to see Perth from the other side.
Okay.
Thank you!
And we are in South Perth. And we are going on the boat again now. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you!
And just like that, we are again in the city center of Perth.
And since it's lunchtime, we are going to a vegetarian Hare Krishna restaurant.
Now it's better.
And close to this place here, there's our next stop.
Let's go.
With lunch is way better.
Yes, my belly is full and I'm happy.
Yes, me too.
The Art Gallery of Western Australia, which is free. What a visit! This museum is spectacular.
I'm shocked that it's free. The exhibitions were really cool. We even saw a Henry Moore sculpture on the rooftop and many other cool things. My favorite one were the changing color cards, which were random, and this piece of art was so huge and beautiful and colorful and relaxing. We were like, wow.
Yeah. And my favorite one was the three frames with the rainbows on it. So pretty and so cool.
And at 4:40, we still miss some spots. So
Let's go. And here we are at London Court, which is a small pedestrian street in the middle of modern skyscrapers. It is so special because it has a feel of the Tudor-style buildings of England. There are a lot of shops that are mainly for tourists, but the architecture, though, is really cool. Bells. And we have another quick bus ride for our next stop, but this one is not free.
And we made it to King's Park, which is a huge park. King's Park indeed is one of the largest city parks in the world and one of the main attractions of Perth. You could stay here all day, midday, and enjoy a walk because it's very huge and there are so many things to see. We'll just scratch the surface.
And this is a giant baobab, which is also my first giant baobab. It's so huge and cute, I wanna hug it. It's incredible that all around there are new tree species for me. And indeed, this is because this park is made up with native bushland, with hundreds of plant species and over 80 species of birds. So you can see a lot of nature in pretty much the middle of the city.
And along the trails you can find some lookout points from where you can spot the city of Perth. Wow! There are also cool bridges to walk on and be immersed in the park and look at the city, but they close at 5 p.m. and it's later than that. So if you want to come and do that, be sure to come before the closing time, not like us. So this park is definitely the perfect getaway from the city. If even you just wanna run, walk, come here cycling, it's perfect. And still you have the facilities to go to the toilet or the benches if you want to sit down. Still accessible, but it has that rustic and wild aspect to it with the bush and everything.
And not with one, but two buses. We kind of made it to Cottesloe Beach.
We should have made it for sunset time, but we are a little bit late. Still, the light is so beautiful. So if you can, time your tour so that you can come here for the sunset, and don't think that it's gonna take too little to visit Perth, because it actually takes a lot to see all the things we saw today. And now, with such a beautiful beach, we can properly think about our day and our visit of Perth. Did you like it?
I loved it. I'm really impressed about Perth because I was not expecting such a peculiar city, and the bus service is really great.
Yes, train and even ferry, we
Yeah.
found out. Such a cool city. It has a lot to see, and it's so enjoyable and easy to walk around. I'd say this vlog now is over. If you liked it, please give it a like.
And subscribe. See you in the next one.
We have crazy adventures for Australia, so you gotta subscribe.